Saturday, April 25th, 2026. Saint Mark. Focus. Humble yourselves, therefore, under the mighty hand of God, so that at the proper time He may exalt you. Last October, Jemima Rodriguez established her spot in the Indian team after her match-winning performance in the ICC Women's World Cup semi-final against Australia. She was not in the initial playing 11, but when she got the opportunity, she shone. She rose to stardom overnight. This young girl was humble enough to acknowledge her anxieties and suffering along the way, and brave enough to thank Jesus publicly for being a rock of support. We live in a world full of alarming news, lurking illness, family struggles, or uncertainty about the future that can cause anxiety. At such times, God wants us to take refuge in Him and trust in His loving care. Our relationship with Him is enriched by a humble acceptance of adversity. So also, steadfast faith, quiet endurance, total surrender, and unreserved obedience to His holy will that we find in the first reading. Now, all these make us effective witnesses for Christ. The most difficult part is accepting God's will. Saint Mark was not among Jesus' first apostles, yet he established himself when called. He went on to be the inspired author of the earliest of the 4 Gospels accounts on the life of Christ. Fruit. With humility, hope, and patient endurance in the face of trials, I will seize every opportunity to be a faithful witness to God's glorious kingdom.